Aloha and welcome to Love Laugh Shop Hawaii. It's me, Veronica, with a quick review on mascara. Okay, so I did lash extensions for a few months and I decided not to do it. And I used to have nice, beautiful long lashes anyway. I was just going for the lazy fix. But anyway, when I took it off, I had little stubs. They were so gross. So I started using Revitalash serum and the Revitalash mascara. There's a primer on one side. It's blue. And the mascara on the other. I really love this Revitalash. It kind of makes it natural looking, but I love it. Can you dig it? Anyway, I love it. Revitalash serum and primer. You can get it at Amazon. Click on the link below for and it'll take you right to the page at Amazon. I hope you love this product as well. If you have another mascara you want me to try, I would love to try it, but trust me, I've tried them all. Lancome, Bobbi Brown, MAC. I had a drawer full of mascaras, but that's my favorite, and I hope you love it. Have a blessed day, and remember to love always, laugh often, but shop as needed. You will thank me later. Aloha.